Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to drop a pin on your Apple Maps. So at first open the app and find some place where you want to drop your pin, for example here, and all you have to do is tap on Add Stop. As you can see, dropped pin is over here. You can change the order and put it in the middle of your road, and this is how you can do it. Obviously, you can drop as many pins as you want. Let me do it, for example, over here as well. Here you can move it in some direct place. For example, here, tap on Done, and that's it. You can also add Stop here and also change the order of the place that you want to visit. So that's it. No matter if you have the road over here or not, the pins will be visible on your map. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.